Hey there, welcome to Social Waves AI. Welcome to the future of productivity and creativity, Gemini AI. Today, we'll show you how to harness its powerful features to simplify your tasks, enhance your workflow, and unlock your potential. First, let's get started. Visit gemini.google.com/app and log into your account. If you're new, simply sign up. It only takes a minute. Once inside, you'll see a user-friendly interface designed to help you achieve your goals. Just type in your query or command, and Gemini AI will assist you in seconds. Plan my week, summarize this document, generate ideas for my project, need information fast. Paste any article or document, and Gemini AI will provide you with a summary, key takeaways, or even a translation. Looking for inspiration? Whether it's generating ideas, drafting content, or designing projects, Gemini AI can spark creativity and streamline your workflow. Work smarter, not harder. Gemini AI excels at data analysis, report generation, and even ensuring compliance, saving you hours of tedious work. And the best part? Gemini AI integrates seamlessly with the tools you already use, making collaboration easier than ever. From planning your day to delivering professional quality work, Gemini AI is here to make life simpler, faster, and smarter. Ready to transform the way you work? Start using Gemini AI today and see the difference it makes.